Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Iranian missile and drone attack wounds U.S. personnel and damages aircraft at Prince Sultan Air Base in Saudi Arabia. An Iranian attack on Prince Sultan Air Base on March 27 wounded multiple American service members and damaged several aircraft, according to people familiar with the matter. Initial reports indicate around 10 personnel were injured, including 2 in serious condition. An Iranian missile struck the base, causing injuries, while multiple drones were also used in the assault. A spokesperson for U.S. Central Command declined to comment on the incident. Preliminary information indicates that several refueling aircraft and an E-3 Sentry airborne warning and control system aircraft were damaged. A photo circulating showed significant damage to an E-3, though the image could not be independently verified. The attack comes despite earlier statements suggesting a decline in Iranian launch activity during the ongoing conflict. Officials say Iran continues to demonstrate the capability to strike key U.S. positions in the region. CENTCOM Commander Administration Brad Cooper said on March 25 that Iranian missile and drone launches had dropped significantly since the conflict began on February 28. "We have damaged or destroyed over two-thirds of Iran's missile, drone and naval production facilities and shipyards," Cooper said in a video statement. "We are on a path to completely eliminate Iran's wider military manufacturing apparatus," he added. Despite those claims, the latest attack underscores Iran's ability to continue operations even with reduced assets. Prince Sultan Air Base remains a critical hub for U.S. military operations in the Middle East, hosting a range of aircraft supporting missions related to Iran. The base has been a recurring target in recent weeks. More than 300 service members have been wounded in Operation Epic Fury so far, according to U.S. officials. 13 service members have been killed, including a soldier at Prince Sultan Air Base during an earlier attack in March. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.